This is your daily dose of catnips.
Okay, you guys, so the kitten that I planned to adopt got adopted an hour before I got to the shelter. It's okay, she went to a really loving home. So instead, I got Gumbo. He's 14 years old and doesn't have teeth.
Making biscuits on the friend.
Have any eggs in my egg box? There's 2. All right, Chickie. Let's see. Are you sitting on any? Callie. What? Callie, are you trying to hatch these eggs?
You can read his mind.
Chase.
This is not your bed, buddy. I can't have you sleep in a baby's bassinet. Let's go, come on. You can't just sit in here, dude. I have to literally keep watching him 24/7. Chase.
Are we close to the grass, buddy? Oh, it's the grass, yay!
So this is my dear friend Cascade, and as you can tell, he has been feeling a bit under the weather. So we took him to the vet today, and unfortunately he was diagnosed with no bone cirrhosis, which, as the name suggests, means that he unfortunately has no bones.
This cat was born with 4 ears due to a rare genetic condition.
Good morning. Yes, should we eat something? We gotta take your little donut off. Come here, let's take your little donut off. Should we take your donut off?
I got me 2 waffles. You looking over at me like you want my 2 waffles. You wish you had 2 waffles, huh, boy? I bet you can eat 4. Nah, scratch that. I bet you can eat 10. Big milk jug looking ass boy.
Oh my gosh, you're suffocating him. Move.
Good evening, my dear. Did you order the feline fillet?
Yeah, oh, it looks a little burnt.
Nope. This is fresh from the market.
Oh.
We do inspections of each of their personality.
Oh.
If it doesn't reach a certain mark, then it ends up here.
Oh, so this is a defective one?
Yep.
Little T-Rex.
A perfectly done clone.
I think my cat is an NPC.
What? You okay?
When you adopt any type of the kitten.
You're so pretty kitty. Tired, huh? You ready for a nap?
I'm not taking your babies. You ain't gotta hold them like that. I'm not gonna take your babies. You ain't gotta look at me like, I'm not taking them, I promise.
Hey.
This kitten looks like a cheetah.
Bro, Rainy, do you not care? Dude, Miles is using your tail as a binky, bro.
Teasing ring.
Is that nice or what? Pull it out.
Oh my god, excuse me, ma'am. Can I see your baby? The outfit is so cute. Oh my gosh.
Copycat.
Oh, hi. Hi. Do you like this little massage? Do you like that? Yeah.
Can't see the difference.
I just paid $40 for your diet wet food, and you're staring at my Taco Bell. $40 diet wet food.
How can anyone get stuck there?
Is that your baby? Yeah. What did you do?
What you want? Oh, you want hugs.
A perfectly calculated jump.
Dude, Kevin, when'd you get a mohawk? You look sick. Kevin with the mohawk? Let me get it from the side. Kevin! Oh my gosh, Kevin, you looking fresh, man.
Chicken, you're on a diet, bud. Because you're too fat. I know.
A royal entry.
Did you fall down between the couches? Do you need some help?
Kevin, what are you doing to Santa's face? Kevin!
Oh.
Sorry.
Curious about two antennas.
Why he lays?
That's how he lays.
Why he always lays like
Yes,
that?
bro.
That is crazy, bro.
They kept hearing strange noises, so they decided to cut open the wall.
Oh my god, Lyra! Oh my god, Lyra.
Preparing for the war. This cat sits like a prisoner inside his carrier while moving out.
Alright, we just dewormed the potatoes, and now it's time to weigh the potatoes. You are the first contestant. Wow, he's 458. Well,
guys, I don't know where Mikey is. I have been looking everywhere. Do you see him anywhere?
Usually when there's 3 of them, like this, it means there's normally one up there, but he's not there. But if you keep looking, there's our little gargoyle.